Hello, so good morning everyone. This is actually a pre-recorded video. Hello? Okay, so this is a pre-recorded video of my tutorial for using the Google form as part of our additional research or survey activity for TTL, or Technology for Teaching and Learning. So I made this recording over the weekend because I do not know if the internet connection is stable enough that we can open Google Form. So for this video, I will be introducing to you what is Google Form and also how to use it, because you will be using your Google Form for making your survey in relation to our Lesson 1 activity. Okay? Check ko lang kung kuan ang mic. Okay, first thing that we're going to do, so kung ano ni siya no, kung sa mga domains pa ni siya, muna ni siya ang katong mo manage ta sa technology and ka-show og leadership kuno ang teacher, kay yan ang i-transfer ihang learning sa students. Okay? So for example, you're going to open your Google form, Google Chrome rather. Go to your search engine, either diri sa ubos or diri sa babaw. We're going to type Google form. Pwede man you're going to use your CSR email in signing in or your personal email. Pero since most of the teachers that we're going to have a survey with, or to ang mga respondents kay mga Santa Rita man nga teacher, so pwede na lang ang Google CSR email di ay ninyo nga email ang gamiton. Okay, so click mo Google Forms, then go to Forms. Now, for example, if naka-sign in sa imong Google Chrome is imong Rotarian email, you can just switch your account. Okay. So, here are my recent forms that I've made um, in the past several years, no, over the course of let's say 3 years. I started using Google Forms in 2020. So, kung ikaw na kay mga ipanghimo nga mga forms, it will really reflect here. You can edit it, you can duplicate it, and then you can also add your classmates as a collaborator. Okay, so we're going to start with a blank Google form first. So, pwede man quiz or exit ticket or assessment na RSVP pod. So, daghan pod silang mga template gallery, very similar to Canva, where you can search for different templates nga mo fit sa imong needs, no? But let's say we're going to start from scratch. We're going to click this blank. Okay, so what we're going to do is once we are already in the blank form, we have to determine first unsa man ni siya. So for example, so ano kay kuan diri na lang ta mag-edit sa babaw. We're going to edit this. Then mo po natin ibutang diri. Okay, ande siya. So we're just going to do the editing of the title here, and then for form description, you're going to add pwede ra pud ang any instruction that you would like to add here. For example, sorry.